Hello everybody, welcome to the very first episode of Freedom 3D Prints. I am a relative 3D printing noob. I've had a couple of machines before. I've had a Creality Ender 3 and that was how I learned many years ago, probably close to 10 years ago now. Did a lot of tinkering, had some good prints, but then a lot of tinkering. After that I had an Anycubic Viper, which at the time had a lot of ooh and ah because it was one of the first affordable 3D printers that had auto bed leveling. It was the same story with the Creality Ender 3. Had some good prints and then had a lot of tinkering. That's Bambu Labs here. Really just came onto the scene with their very first machine, and there was a lot of excitement over it because it was the first to have the multicolored. And I remember watching the videos for it with the amazing amount of purge on it, and I was like, if they could shorten that up, they'd have a real winner. And sure enough, they became one of the top dogs in the 3D printing industry. But as it is, I have been really wanting to start a side hustle of my own, and with the help of God and my wife and my best friend, I actually have a Bambu Lab H2C with the AMS combo. So I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing, and it won't be a fully detailed unboxing. You can find many of those on YouTube. But this will be from a relatively 3D printing noob guy, what it was like to unbox a Bambu Lab H2C. Let's do the unboxing. Very important, on the back of the machine they have taped a safety key that'll actually get plugged into here. Do not lose this. The machine will not run if you do not have it, and if you lose it, you're gonna have to call Bambu Lab to get yourself another one.
I was raised in the rust, built tough as nails, where the wind cut sharp and the weak boys bail. I felt the dirt, I've tasted steel, but I ain't never bowed and I never will. Got a backbone carved out of red clay pride, and a fight that don't quit when it's tested or tried. You can bet your last dime and your name on a stone, this fighting heart don't break, it owns. I was built for this, for the blood and sweat, for the long shot odds and the no-name bet, for the nights that burn and the mornings rough, for the pain that pounds but...
Thank you for bearing witness with all the time lapse. I appreciate it. There's much more detailed videos as far as how to unbox it and assemble it. This is my very first YouTube video, so thank you for your patience. But I have it all set up. It is on. It's time to select the language. I do have the AMS HT as well, and it came with the AMS 2 Pro. So I am going to have to get a second AMS 2 Pro if I'm going to utilize all the colors, because it can do 7 colors on the right hand side and 1 on the left, but you can still do up to 24 filaments, yada yada. But I will be getting one of these in the future. But for now, I got it all hooked up. It's time to select the language. So of course we're in America, so I prefer English. Go to America, and now it wants my Wi-Fi. All right, now the QR codes. I've got the printer now binded. This is now Freedom Printer 1, and I'm going to hit next. As far as the setup is concerned, asking for terms and agreement. We all know we agree to that. I am not going to join the user experience improvement program, so I'm going to skip on that. And it's asking me to verify if I took out all the screws, and believe me, I did. Some of them are much more of a pain in the butt than you might think. All right, so it's actually going to do the calibrate, and there's one important detail. There's one more piece of foam on the bottom here. So when it does the calibration, it's going to raise up, make sure you get that foam out. But here we go. As want everybody to know, there is some foam on that back lead screw. Don't forget to take it out because you might have this. So let's try that one more time. If you stay with me this far, basically most of it's set up. The initial calibration is done, and don't forget there are some hidden pieces of foam. I did it not once, but twice, and after that the calibration got done. So there's a couple other calibrations to do. I got with the hot ends, got to do some firmware update and the AMS, but there's plenty of videos out there. So if you're still around, thank you for watching the video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and stay with me on this journey as I continue to level up. And remember, freedom isn't free. God bless. Have a great day.